Hello, little friends! Today we will explore animal sounds together. Are you ready? Do you know what sound a lion makes? Roar! Animals talk in their own special way. Let's go meet some animals and learn their sounds. Our first stop is the farm. Look at all these friendly animals. I wonder what sounds they make. Here's Mr. Moo the cow. Can you guess what sound he makes? Moo, moo. Great job! Now let's find out what other animals say. Look, it's Penny the piglet. What sound do you think she makes? Oink, oink. That's right. Penny says oink, oink. She loves playing in the mud too. Cluck, cluck. That's the sound of a chicken. Chickens are so funny when they talk, aren't they? Perfect. Ba-ba, just like that. Sheep always sound so calm and sweet. Quack, quack. Ducks love swimming and chatting. Can you quack like a duck? Neigh, neigh. Horses are strong and fast. They have such a beautiful voice, too. Meh, meh. Goats are great climbers and singers. Aren't they amazing? Now let's dive deep into the ocean. Who lives here, I wonder? Wow, dolphins make such fun sounds. Wee wee, can you whistle too? Listen to Whalebert's beautiful song. Oh, oh, isn't it amazing? Caw-caw. Seagulls love flying high above the ocean. Can you be a seagull too? Click, click. Even octopuses have their own way of talking. So cool. Snap, snap. Crabs use their claws to communicate. Snap along with them. Let's review all the wonderful sounds we learned today. Are you ready? We met cows, pigs, chickens, sheep, ducks, horses, goats, dolphins, whales, seagulls, octopuses, and crabs. What amazing friends!
On the farm, I hear them call, moo moo, oink oink, ba ba. They all talk, cluck cluck. The chicken says, listen close, it's easy as ABs. Animal sounds, oh what a treat. They're funny, silly, and super sweet. Sing along, don't be shy. Let's make animal sounds together. Give it a try. Ocean deep and blue, wee wee. The dolphin sings to you. Ooh, the whale hums low, caw caw. The seagull likes to show. Animal sounds, oh what a treat. They're funny, silly, and super sweet. Sing along, don't be shy. Let's make animal sounds together. Give it a try. Bye bye now, it's time to say. We'll meet again another day. Remember the sounds, have lots of fun. Goodbye little ones until we're done. Give it a try.